end users to enjoy everyday daily life and the work. And plus, we also have a platform like you can visit like ar.rocket.com. So we will share the link to the LinkedIn and other platform later, and you can see everything you need for development. For if you want to, you have some idea, you like to make it now from 0 to 1, make it real on glasses. Yes, that's it. So let's go through what we can do for Rokid glasses. Okay, first. So let me introduce the Spatial Joy 2025 first. Actually, it's annual competition. So we every year we'll host such kind of a global competition for the application developer, and you can see every year we'll level up different. We'll level up the reward for with the cash prize, and of course we'll invite more groups and developers to join us. And for this year, we call it Global AR and AI Development Competition. So before that, we pay more attention to the AR part, but this year we will pay more attention to like AI and AR both. So okay, let's see what we can do. So actually, it's our fourth global developer competition hosted by Rokid, and we upgrade in different ways, right? So the first thing, as we mentioned, like have two different tracks, AR track, AI track. So AR track will cover the Rokid AR Lite and Rokid AR Studio, different two devices. The second will have a brand new AI track. It's a Rokid glasses will be introduced. So nowadays you have more tools to use and more devices you can play with. And the second is the total price pool has been reached like RMB 2.5 million. So it's make the largest and most rewarding developer competition in history. So you guys will get more if you develop anything the more interesting, get a prize, get some, and then we also will offer different price, dozens of price over there. So no worries, just do it. And this year we also partner with different partners, like not only about these partners list here. So we also on co-work with like Unity, Google Cloud, and Baidu, and AWS, and Vast, Triple
啊，
3D,
等一
and
下，围棋，打断一下，直播这边推流这边出点问题，就可能一会儿得重新开始，你再
但是有
调一下。
部分已经开始了，
Yeah,
那
wait.
先
So
进行好了。
YouTube working okay or no?
LinkedIn 已
哦
经开始了吗？
No, no, no.
No,
Link,
no, no.
link,
Linking stop and YouTube also stop. There has an error.
let
哦，
me.
那就稍微等一下。那 OK，so OK，let's pause for a little bit, for several times and several
对，然
minutes
后
and
视频号这边也没有准备好，然后所以我觉得就直接我们那个再调一下，然后再去开始。
Okay, okay. Let's restart. Okay, so 小东, I sent another
说中文，
我跟小东发了新的 link 看一下。
对，然后有可能是因为这边没有翻墙，然后如果是这
我们可以
样的话，
先不推流吧，可以先不推流，因为我们现在正在讨论，待会儿再上线好了。
他新发的重新开始推了，
对对，重新开始吧。
视频号也开起来了。
好
OK，so it's working now, right？
，Okay, competition now.
小东现在可以了是吧？
Yes, yes, okay. So 小东,我给你发了一个新的，你发一下，你推一下。OK，推到了，好，我这边 go live. Okay, so this one should working now. Okay. Okay, YouTube should be okay.
No.
YouTube. Okay. One second. Okay. YouTube 是这个地址，然后 LinkedIn 是
要
Okay.
到地址也发到 Discord 里面，
OK，
等一切 ready 做好。
嗯嗯。
Okay, hello guys. We have some tech issues, so we're waiting for several minutes to for setting up. And no worries, you guys can visit rokid.com or ar.rokid.com to visit our official site, and you can see whatever you need. And if you have a question, you can post in any channel and let us know. And yeah. 小东如果 ready，跟我们说一下。
哎，他说切头型，哪里的图片？现在不是你的画面。
对，我本来投到那个 channel 里面了，投到那个频道里了。对，发现现在是钉钉我投屏了。对，可以了。Okay. So let's share the links into the Discord channel, and 立恒 maybe 或老板 share the
视
link
频
to
号这边
the
已经开始播了哈。
我们先把那些链接都发在 Discord 里面啊，可以看一下 Discord，如果已经发的话，对，那 Discord 那边的开发者多一些。对，现在就可以发了，现在可以发了。老管你可以发一下吗？对，在 Discord 里面，我们2分钟过后开始。
现在应该都好了，现在应该都上来了。
对，然后 share 一下我们的 link 到 Discord、LinkedIn 或者是 YouTube 的 link。
I send it out to
因为 Discord 上面的人比较多。稍等一下哈，不管是哪个频道的
新的
同学，
link 发到你的社群里面。
对，发到 Discord 里面，发在 Discord 里面。
对的，玉彤你那边也可以发到 YouTube 那个 Facebook 去。我可以。
还有 Discord。So welcome guys, welcome. We still need some minutes, maybe 2 minutes, right? We'll start very soon. And all right. So please join us for the introduction about the Spatial Joy competition and what we do for the developers. And okay, let's start, right? It's all right? 可以了哈，我理解是都可以了哈，是吗？可以了哈。Okay. 是吗？ So okay. So okay, welcome to the channel. So this today's live show will be cover all kinds of information about our championship and the Rokid developer community. So as we all know, we have a Spatial Joy 2025, the Spatial Joy 25 global AR and AI developer competition. So this live streaming will cover all these four different parts. The first one is in-depth breakdown about this competition, the AR and the AI part, and especially for the different track. We have two different track. So one is for AR track and another one for the AI track, right? So the second one is we'll talk about a little bit about Rokid SDK and our platform Rhizome. So what you can do for us and how to use this tool to develop application or the product, right? The third part will be how to join our competition, how to access the resources from the many partners with us. So you can get like AR resources, tokens, and like SDK as well, right? So the fourth part will be some tips, right? How to make a better application and what we can do for with the tech wise or like product wise and from 0 to 1 if you already have a very fantastic idea. So yes, so let's start it. Let me introduce the online expert here. So maybe you guys can make it a little interesting about Liam and Liang. Maybe you can share a little bit self intro to the guys in online, right?
Yeah, hi everyone. This is Liang. Nice meeting you guys. I think currently we're live streaming on both YouTube and LinkedIn. Thank you, Vicky, for the intro. So me and Lee, our office is. One second, let me turn off this mute. Yeah, so currently I'm in California, so I'm in the US side. So if there's any like time differences, maybe you guys can find us. So feel free. We're very exciting to share with you guys on this really great event, Spatial Joy 2025. We are having we will be, so this is really competition. So for Rokid, we put quite a bit funding for this event. We really hope all the developers who are passionate about AI, AR, so this will be a great opportunity to join. Meanwhile, if you are having any issues when you do the register or have any issues, participate in this event, let us know. So either find us through email or you can find us through our different channels. For example, we have the Discord channel available 24/7. So we have engineers there. So from China, from US, we are able to answer your questions. So I will pass to Lee. So Lee, please.
Hello guys, I'm Lee. I'm the application engineer at Rokid based in the US, and I very exciting we have this event because like for Rokid glasses we are a binocular, and with a super clear camera, especially right now AI is very useful. So I hear that like our customer they want to do like image recognition or like live AI. I believe it will be very useful and very like new theme for our developer to develop their own idea.
Yeah, actually, thank you for Lihan and Liang. So actually, we have a branch in US. So actually, if you guys are living in the US, you are interested about, have passion about developing app for the hardware, especially for Rokid glasses and Rokid AR Light and AR studio, and we have a resource over there with not only about the software and the technical support resources. Also, we have devices over there. So if you guys can interested in us, can contact with us. We have a plenty of resources over there, and we also will host like offline or online event later in the near future in US very soon. And you guys have if you live in like a Silicon Valley or maybe in the New York, we have a different event over there, so you guys can join us and know more about AR and AI and know more about how to develop application on what devices. So yes, welcome. So anyway, and if you guys from the other part of the world, like APAC area or Europe, no worries. We'll have a branch. So hub, we call it a hub, right? Developer hub over there. It's in more and more. So later. One by one, so no worries. So for the competition, you can just know what we can do, what you can do. Even you can just send us the application package. We will test in there for you. So no worries. So we will cover more and more developer that's from all around the world. Yes, we will release more and more resources to you guys. Okay, let's back to topic. So today we will share the different parts as I mentioned. Like we will first of all we introduce about Spatial Joy 25, the annual competition for the developers. So let's go through the basic introduction about the competition. Okay, so first of all is that it's our first time to involve the AI concept, AI track to our competition. So for the past three competition, annually competition hosted before, and we only covered the AR track. Only we have guys, you guys know we already have the AR Studio and AR Lite for 6DoF experience and 3DoF experience devices. But this year we add a new thing, the AI track, right? So because we have a Rokid glasses, so it's a fantastic all-in-one devices with a lot of AI features. So yes, so let's introduce about our competition, and yes, if you have any questions, let us know, and Leon and Lihan will collect all the questions from all kind of channel. We have Discord channel, we have YouTube channel. You guys can visit us for this live streaming in real time. So no worries, just leave your comments, leave the question, and we will answer your question one by one, and no worries. So okay, so this is our fourth global developer competition this year. So the difference is compared to the previous ones. So we have the AI track. So we have a Rokid glasses, so you can develop the app, it's an application or an agent on Rokid glasses, right? So we now have two different track. More details will be expanded in the next part. Okay, so you guys know we have an AR track and AI track based on your tech stack, based on your background. You can develop the AR application, 6DoF or 3DoF, our AR, Rokid Studio, right? Rokid AR Studio and the AR Lite as well. And you can also, if your background is more put more focus on the agent development. For example, like a mobile app connect to the glasses, embedded some services, connect to like a delivery services or like any services, right? So they connect to the Yelp, something like this, for a Google Maps. So you can choose the AI track, right? So it's a space for the Rokid glasses. Okay, so this is two different track. And second one is, this will be amazing. Like our total price pro will have reached the RMB 2.5 million. It's a lot, right? So it's maybe the largest and most rewarding developer competition in this industry. So you guys can know more, and we have more the possibilities to win the prize, right? So we have cash, everything. So and plus we also have many partners like Unity, Google Cloud, Baidu, and AWS. And the VOST and the Triple 3D, is one of the best AIGC 3D engine, and we also have the Hyper 3D AI. It's SM is a AIGC 3D engine. So we offer a lot of tokens and services to you guys, so you can use all these kind of skills and capabilities from different partners to develop your application for the AR track and AI track. Okay, so this is another part, the different comparing to the previous ones, and actually we will. Yes, every year we will invite it, and hundreds of the group will join our competition, and we can see a lot of ideas. We are so happy to see all kinds of the possibilities you guys make from 0 to 1. So this year, of course, welcome to know more about Rokid, know more about the application development, know more about what we can do for our users, end users, our B users, C users. So we open the platform for you guys, the developer platform for you guys. Not only offer the SDK, also the tools, so help you to easy to develop your application. Yes, that's it. And yes, let's put more things. And yes, let's talk about more about AR track, AI track. So actually, AR track will be focusing on the application, enhance the information display and interactive function in real world scenarios. Like if we use AR studio, so you can see it has a camera, you have a 6 off experience. So if you guys from the US, you're developers in US, you can get the devices from our branch from in US, and Li and Liang will handle everything. So no worries. Contact with us in Discord or LinkedIn, and we will see what's the next for you guys. If you need the developer kit, we will offer that. So yeah, no worries. So in the AR track, most people pay more attention to like how to develop the interactive experience with the real world. For example, you can put a dinosaur in your living room, or you can via the you can use a recognition feature via camera, and you can recognize anything you want to show in front of your eye, or if it's a 3D full color experience or 3D models, so you can put all things in the AR studio. So
I-
this is
I-
AR track.
information.
Yes.
I'd like to add some information here. So if you do not have this device, don't be shy. Just reach out to us through our Discord channel. You can send us some messages, and we have different programs. For example, like if you are individual developer, or if you are representing some enterprise or companies. So for different different segments. So we have different program. We will make sure you will be able to put your hand on the hardware. So we will support you with the software SDK support. Make sure your development journey is very smooth. Okay, so we're really trying to standing with you guys, make sure you will be successful on the AR development journey. Richie, get back to you.
Yeah, actually, so as Liang mentioned, like we have a lot of resources to help you for you. So not only devices, also like tech support, and also we have different channels. So we will show the Discord channel and YouTube channel or Facebook group as well. So you guys can connect with us anytime, and anywhere. So we will offer different possibility for you guys to easily to develop anything from 0 to 1, help you to from the idea to the real product. And we also have a commercial track. So in some while, so you in a way that actually we can make your application commercialize. So make it like a real product in the market. So no worries, we have 1 million users in the world. So not only about the AR devices, also like AI devices as well. So no worries. Yes. So if whenever you come from US or Europe or APAC, no worry. Just connect with us. So just talk to what you need, right? Tell us what you need, and we can see what's the next for you guys. Okay, so yes, let's back to topic. And for the AR track, we also introduced the AR track. We focusing on the developing application on the AR Studio and AR Lite. So let's talk about the AI track. Actually, AI track is the more interesting part. That's we are focusing on the hardware, just we wearing here. So it's a Rokid glasses. So you can see more tech spec in on the website, and you can see it's a very lightweight glasses with display as well. So you can connect to the mobile app and connect to the cloud services. It's like all in one. I think it's one of the best all in one devices in the world, and it has camera and a microphone, so it has everything you need. And what you can do is you can do anything, right? Use the camera to recognize everything, and use the microphone to help you to input anything you want to show your intent, right? If you want intent, if you want to call delivery services, or do you want like to ask an AI assistant, you can use the microphone feature and the audio features, right? And behind it, we also co-work with some partners with like a Google and other AI providers. So you can use the LLM models to help you to analysis and understand what you need. So the plus it has display. So not only about like, just speak out the result, also can show the result in different way. Even some of our developers develop the application and game on it. So it depends on you guys, right? So if you have an idea, you just make it happen, right? That's it. So this is the AI track. So we offer the different tech tools for you guys to make it happen. So one is like it, as mentioned, like a Rokid Ryzen AI platform. So it's not only it's not like it fully open for now. So it's still in beta. So beta version. So, but it's still very easy. Low coding platforms help you to develop the application on agent on the glasses, right? So this is the one thing. Another thing, we also offer the SDK. We will pour more attention to, and we put more information into it in the next part. Okay, so we also offer the SDK for you guys to make the application via the mobile app and Rokid glasses as well, right? Okay, so after introducing the track, so the track for competition, let's move to the next part. Okay, so next part is the, okay, what we can do for the participation. So if you're interested about the competition, you just join us. Just the registration. First thing, you have to join our platform. So let's go to the ar.com, ar.rokid.com, and we'll show you guys in our different channel, and just as developers, it's free. Okay, no worries.
We see there's one question from Boris. So what direction or insight are you guys looking for from researchers at this time? Okay, so that is a very great question. So I think for Rokid, we are currently working with various different research and universities. I think student community is definitely one of the most important community for us. We already have a lot relationship with different schools, different universities. If you have the needs or if you have some idea to do the development, reach out to us, and we love to see how we can bring the device, bring the solution, bring the collaboration to the schools. Okay, just reach out to us, and we will direct with you our program, for different researching schools regarding augmented reality or artificial intelligence on the AI, AR devices. Please.
Yeah, so I put more comments on this. So actually, we co-work with dozens of universities around the world. So not only about we have some workshop and like a co-working courses and together, and plus we also help them to do R&D for the research part and for the commercialize the idea from the research to the industrial world. So make it like a real product. So yes, if you are if the guys online, you are students from the university, if you guys from the college, or if you are interested about like a co-work with us, and also please contact with our global team and contact with us. We will help. We can figure out what's the next part for the collaboration. Yes, we're welcome. So welcome anyone interested about the AR, anyone interested in Rokid, and anyone interested about how to co-work together and collaboration for the future. Yes, let's back to the topic. So okay, so the first thing, if you would like to be a developer, you have to register yes, just sign up. The sign up was as a new developers. It's free, no worries. And after that, we will offer different features for you guys. And yes, so you have to register as a developer and join our here, right? So we have the join channel here. So we also, of course, we will post this QR code in on all channels from Rokid. So you know worries about how to just join the competition, right? Let's back to the track. So yes, let's pour more attention to the submission is fine. Just go through the submissions requirements. If you're already registered the competition, you can go through it. If you have any questions, It's just for like upload the APK, upload the application, and do more like an introduction about what you do, and we can prepare presentation. So see for judges what you do, right? So what you do, what's the purpose, why you develop such kind of application, why you use such kind of a tech stack, and then why you think it's important for you guys and for your potential end users. That's more important. So just to show your idea, show your application, and show the documentation for us. That's it. And if you pass the proposal, we will offer the device for you guys for free, developer kit for 7 months. So for the developing, right? So yes, so that's easy, right? Just to join us, just suggest and join us. You will get all the information related very soon via email, right? So we can also see this competition page, right, as well. So okay, so
Another thing is
yeah.
we yesterday, I think some of you guys may watch our live event from last night.
Yeah.
Rokid, we will be announcing our Rokid store in the near future. So that means if you have some app really good, really polished, and have a full commercial potential, or can have the possibility being coming like popular, so this will be the first step. So the first step is we're gonna co-working with you guys, see how to distribute your devices, or let's collaborate on the idea. You will be able to submit this to us, and then this will be enroll you to the competition. It's not only monetary rewards, but it also have the possibility to distribute. Rokid will help you to distribute your product, distribute your app to millions of the users, our users. So there's a lot of
Yes.
benefit for that.
Exactly. So plus about the submission. So if if any questions, no worries. For the overseas developers, and actually we offered some more tech support and service support as well. So if you guys have any questions, drop us an email and join our Discord channel and Facebook group. So let us know, and we will help you guys to figure out. For example, so if you guys already have an application running on our glasses, or for example, like for the AR track, we have an application for like a Quest, right? So we'll help you guys to figure out how to port your application to the AR. It's in like an AR Studio, and if you already have an agent, right? So or a AI app, so we will also help you to do that. And if you have any questions and like a challenge for you guys to like submit the package or like documentation, no worries, drop us an email. So join our channel, talk to us. So we will help you to guys, because yes, we are still for the overseas developers, we're just still in beta version. So for the beta for now. So we will do all our best to help you guys to make it happen. So thank you for patience, and we also will offer to give you give your hands to make it happen. So no worry, just tell your idea, give us your package or the application or what you want to do for the competition. Let us know. So yeah, that's it. We'll help you guys. We are helper, but one of the best agent assistant for you guys to complete the track for the competition. Yes, that's it. And let's back to the awards, right? So we have a very interesting and a track, right? So it's awards, the price, the cash price for the different track. So you can see as the application track, so the AR track we have 2 parts. The one, the application, focusing on how to improve the people's daily life and work efficiency, right? So how to make it a more fantastic tool for the people to use AR technologies to improve their quality at the daily life and work. For example, it's a remote assistant to talk to the people from anywhere, anytime, from people from anywhere, right? So maybe he or she can pop up in front of you and talk to you and help you to figure out the problem in the field, right? So if you're a field engineer, right, for example, so troubleshooting stuff, right? So scenario is for application, especially if you have something to with AI. Sure, it's great for the application, right? So another part is the games. Okay, games is more pay more attention to about the interaction, right? So that means how to design a gameplay with AR, how to make the best interaction between physical world and the digital world. So how to use this small devices, make it the magic in the real world. That's what the games track focusing on. So yes, you can see it's a the first one is 20,000. Oh, it's not a 200,000. It's a 200,000 cash price, right? So no worry, just jump in the tour and join us. Yes, that's it. And plus, we also have individual awards. It will be focusing on some special, interesting point and a standout point from the other participants. So we also offer the business potential award. That's for the one who are shows the muscle, the potential about make more money in the future. Then make it from 0 to 1, not only but from 0 to 1. It's from 1 to 100. It can copy to the reality world. It can commercialize very quickly. So it has the strong business potential. So that will goes to that will go to the business potential award. And then the second one is the social impact award. So that means how to deliver the social good, social value to the world via your application, right? Via your application, via your agent. So for example, like we have application design for the blind people. So the blind people can help us, via glasses, can recognize the real world and solve some problem in the real world. So, and also can help them to recognize the stuff or object and or problem in front of his or her eye. So that will be potential for the potential one for the special impact award. Okay, the third one, application innovation award. Every year we have a lot of interesting topic. Maybe it's a silly interesting part is application, but it's very have a fantastic gameplay. This is fantastic innovative topic they created in the app. So that will be going to this award, the application innovation. So just open your mind and no limitation for your application. Just to do what you want to do. Yeah, just to
I'd like to share a little bit more insights. For example, recently we see a lot interesting inquiry. AI is getting extremely popular, and we're seeing quite a bit of enterprise. So they are hosting their own on-premise AI server. But the challenge is how they are able to retrieve the information, very instantly, or sometimes, they want to be interactive. So at that point, so the augmented reality or the AR or AI becomes really great media or interaction method, between the server and the client. So we have been seeing a lot of those applications start rising, either it's in logistic industry or hospital or health industry. We've seen, a lot of booming industry, from all the different use cases. Like Weiqi just mentioned, some of the application, they start from really small idea.
Yeah.
With our support, with our help, etc. We're collaborating. We already have a lot of partners. They are able to pretty much make some quite interesting profit as well. For example, we work with at least 4 or 5 really close partner in the museum industry. We bring them with us, to commercially selling the total solution to the different museums. So we cover the museum, also industry, all the different ideas. I think the most important thing is, you know your industry, you have the idea, share together, then I'm sure we will be able to find a really great solution, together to get into this AI and AR industry.
Yeah, in our point of view, AR and AI is just external capabilities for anything. So if you're focusing, you already have a solution in your vertical industry, you can put AR and AI with hardware to extend a little bit the possibility for your solution. The second, if you want to put a little bit like a interactive part for your solution, so AR and AI, the AR glasses is another best solution for it's a first choice for you guys. So just to know more about what AR glasses can do for you and put a little bit for your existing solution is the best way to utilize these new technologies. Yeah, that's it. So let's move to the next part. So we also have the Campus Excellent Award. Especially we have a many group the developers from the universities, from the colleges, even the high schools. So we also offer a special award for those guys. So if you from the campus, so let us know, and we will pick up the three standing out team and get a special award for them. So yeah, that's for the AR track. Actually, okay, we also have some sponsorship and award from our partners, and thank you Unity for help us to improve the 3D engine on based development application development, and we have two different award from Unity. We have best application award and best application from the society group, and we also have the best application award from the campus group. So in this case, you have to develop an application using Unity engine and or 20 engine as well. So you can just show your tech intents and your how to use the best use show you the best practice of Unity, and you will be potential to get the award, right? Okay, so the next part, the AR track. So the AI track. So AI track will be, so you can see this will be different, a little bit different. So AI track will pay more attention to the innovative creation with AI. So not only about the AI GC or the agent or like a LLM or how to use AI to solve a problem in real world, and especially this is for the hardware Rokid glasses. So we have three main awards. So the golden silver and bronzer are the bronze. So we have a huge cash prize as well, and plus we also have the individual award. So in this part you can see a little bit different. Of course, we still have a special awards for the campus guys. So the students, the guys from our college and the universities, we have a campus excellent award as well. So we also have the three different awards. Okay, the first one, the technology innovation award. So AI is a new thing. It's not like new thing, but for this AI track, the AI is the tech part. Is we will pay more attention to our AI. So we set up the award for the most technological innovative idea, or you show your potential about how to embed the AI into the hardware. Yeah, that's for this award. And the second is the user experience. Why? Because it's not easy to make this lightweight wearables with AI. So even use audio or visual as a main input, and output we have display. You can show some text or image as well, but it's still not easy to make the experience smoothly, right? So we have 3 awards for the best user experience for the AI track. So if you can just show your idea or show your opinion and show what you can do with AI and the best user experience. Okay. The third one is still will pay more attention to the social impact. AI will help our life better and better. So yes, of course, we have a 3 award for the social impact part. So yes, that's it. And
Yeah,
actually, we have some.
As
Yes.
Ricky here mentioned, Rokid, we're really trying to encourage. I think that's the most important word, right? We're trying to encourage everybody to go on the platform. We have the the rewards or different awards for all the different category, etc. Like if you recently follow Rokid, our own video, to develop any product is not easy. So that's why we trying so hard to encourage you guys to work along with us, and let's see how we're able to polish great product out. We recently released, for example, our own app like teleprompter, GPS. Currently, we have a lot of great apps on our glasses. We really look forward, the next thing is we wanted to select the best of the apps so we can put on our devices. Then, your app will be assigned to our app as well. So that is our goal.
Yes, that's it. So no worries about everything. So actually we're back for you guys. Yes, we are on the back, right? So back to the topic. Actually, we have let's see what we can do. And yes, so this is the criteria for the evaluation and judgment. No worries. Okay, so let's pour a more about information about the developer kit, right? So developer kit, we have a two part for two different track. So AR Light and AR Studio for the AR track and the Rokid glasses for the AI track. So we also have some devices all around the world, especially US branch. So if you're, yes, again, if you are developers in US or North America, so let Leon and Lihan know, let us know via Discord channel or Facebook group channel. So more people will. So you just connect us. You want to join the competition, you need the devices developer kit, we will help you to get it, right? So you can develop applications, no worries. So you can see the different difference between these two products. And this one is for AR track, it's AI track. And yes, of course, it's we have policy first come first served. So yes, please join us as soon as possible and let us know what your proposal and show your passion about AR and AI, and you'll get a device and you can do anything you want, right? So yes, so you can make your idea from 0 to 1. Yeah, that's it. First come, first served. Yes, that's it. Okay, so all right. Okay, we have a different channel for the international developers. So you can see we have we have to mention like we have a Rokid online tutorial for how to develop an application for AR and AI for our different product. No worries, you can visit this. If you're already registered as a developer for our platform, you can go to the Rokid Academy. So you can see a lot of video tutorial, step by step. So most of them in Mandarin, we also have the English subtitle, or you can use AI tool to help you to embed its AI subtitle and in real time. Yes, no worries. So you can join our Discord and the Facebook group, and so let us know. Actually, the developers in our community already figure out how to use our Rokid Academy video tutorial to develop an application. Okay, so we also have the Discord. Please go to the Discord, and they have hundreds. Now they have the 100,000 developers from all around the world. They talk about how to develop application for our devices. Let us know if you get some problem, get some challenges, or have some idea you want to discuss. So just show us. Okay, this is the first part. So for today's live stream, right? Live stream. So, and the second one, we will talk about the SDK. So what we can do, okay, we already know the competition, right? So no worries. So, okay, let me, someone.
If anyone has any questions regarding the
A
competition.
question about,
Yes.
competition?
Yeah, so currently we're streaming not only.
Let me check about the.
We are streaming on YouTube. We are streaming on LinkedIn. We are also streaming on WeChat. So any question, let us know. We will do our best to answer your question.
Yes. Someone asked about how to join. So here's yes, this is a QR code. This is the application form QR code. So you can check about this, and it'll be show more details about how to apply for the competition. So if you're from US or Europe, no worries. We have the English version for you, and plus it also show the specs and more details introduction about different track, different partnership services, and how to get a developer kit as well. So no worries. Just make a screenshot on this QR code, or you can get it from our Discord and Facebook group channel. You can have a quick access to the competition, right? So, okay.
So for Rokid, we have devices pretty much like everywhere. So we have devices in Europe, we have devices in US, we have devices obviously in Asia, China, Japan. So just let us know what you need, and we will. I think typically we should be able to get you a device as soon as possible. If we finalize all the registration, etc. So.
Yeah, so everyone on live streaming, if you already have idea, just now and let us know idea, your proposal, and what you need. Not only about the device supporting, also like tech supporting as well, tech support as well. So let us know the first thing you have to do now, right? So many developers on the channel already ask us for what's the best way, the easy, quick access to the competition. That's it. That's the QR code. And second, you can go to our Discord channel. And Discord channel, we have hundreds of developers over there discuss anything about how to solve the problem, how to share the tech issues, and how to make the idea from 0 to 1. So yes, that's it. Okay, so yes, let's back to the next part, and we have two different OS for the devices. Okay. Oh, okay. This is another. Okay. Wait a minute. We have some question here. Let me.
We have some questions on LinkedIn. So when you click on
Yes.
LingZhu AI platform introduction, it's merely a static page with no intent to actually enter the application.
Yeah.
So for this question, I think for actually get into the application, Reggie, can you check?
Oh, how to interact? So okay, this is Li Hen post on the chat box.
LingZhu, yes.
Okay, is there a list of okay, so here's the thing. So okay, I'm not sure about the Rokid glasses you mentioned, like because some people mention Rokid glasses. It will be covering all kind of product we offer. So let's explain it more details. The first thing, if we're working for like an AR part, so you're working with the AR studio. So actually, your application will go to after the development, everything. You can submit the okay. So first thing that so you can submit to our ecosystem. We have App Store as well. So for the other end users, so end users can get the application via our App Store. So no worry about the AR track. For the AI track, because our glasses is just Rocky glasses just launched and delivered. So the App Store is still under instruction. So but yeah, for the competition, no worries. You guys, the application or agent will be shown to all the judges and the developers in our beta version. So later we'll open the App Store for the Rocket glasses as well. So no worries, just go to the development part first, and then no worries, everything is in the plan, right? So it will release and open to release it very soon. So yes, let us know. So okay, the next question is Okay, click the LingZhu. Okay, so for the Ryzen platform, so we will show the more information and details because it's a little bit complex. So yes, and so yeah, for about the LingZhu platform. So first of all, you have to register the application, register as developers for our platform. The second, we will send you email about how to how to get the access to the LingZhu part. And yeah, let us know your area you're located, where you live in, live in, and we know the LingZhu part is open to the limited area or not what. Don't no worries. You still can use the SDK to embed all the AI services application services to the to your application. So no worries. And next one is so easy lab review or testing application. Okay, that's the question. So okay, let me show you something. So we will share the video about the winners from the previous competition. So that's the best way you can know more about what you guys can know what you can develop for our classes. That's the best way and easy way to understand. So because if you want to experience the application, you have to have devices. So join the competition, you get the devices, you can have access to the App Store, so you can download hundreds of application developed in the community in our ecosystem. Yeah, that's it. About the sample code, actually, I will talk this next to the second part, right? The following part. Okay, let's back to the topic. So let's talk about the SDK and the development guide. So from the development guide, you can see we have different OS offer for you guys. Like you the OS Master for the AR track, the AR Lite, AR Studio, and we have another OS for the like a Rokid AR glasses. It's a Rokid OS Sprite, right? So okay, let's see what we can do. So if you pay more attention to AR devices, let's go to this part. So we have two different devices, right? It's a combination between two devices, and you can develop the different application, special mini program, and we also have a design guideline for you guys, so you can help you guys to develop the best experience for the AR application. Many developers have no idea about how to design better experience for the AR application. So we show some know-how for you guys. Okay, so we offer the basic some capabilities for you guys to develop for your application, the spatial rendering, spatial positioning, and spatial interaction. So like for the AR the AR studio, you can use the gesture, and we also support like MRTK. I take part in the following part section. Then we have the development toolkit for the AR studio. We offer the UXR as 3.1. It's 3.0 SDK. It's a Unity SDK. So if you're the Unity developer, if you're XR developers, join us. Right? You just make a little work, actual work. You just can put the AR devices, the VR application to the AR application as well, right? You don't need to the skybox anymore, right? You just remove the skybox and use the reality world. So it will be easy way to make it the AR application. Okay, so we also support the MRTK. It's a mixed reality toolkit based on from Microsoft, so for Unity. So we also support like a SRI and Unity's XR interaction. No worries, just we support the standard ones, right? So, and plus, if you're paying more attention to XR, OpenXR plugin, so we also have the Unreal OpenXR plugin if you're Unreal developer. No worries, we have a plugin. Yes, you have some limitation for like a rendering or graphic related features, but no worries, you can still have a potential develop the fantastic application. It's already happening in our developer community. So that it. We also have our native OpenXR SDK. If you're a the native OpenXR developer, you also can use this SDK to develop the application for our AR devices. Okay, so this is one thing. It's the AR track, the AI track.
I have another question is that how they are able to download other, like sample or other project? Do we have a program?
Yeah. No worries. So let's talk about this part very soon. Okay, about demo and like best practice, and I will show you guys because in our SDK, if you download SDK, complete the track for the tutorial. The last part for the tutorial is to show all the capabilities, all the abilities we can show or we can use in the Unity, like gesture, spatial detecting, and the plant detection, and the image recognition, everything over there, the features over there. So what you can do is just combine everything together for your idea from 0 to 1. So no worries. I'll talk about this in the next part. Okay, so no worries. So thank you for the question. This is a fantastic question, and I think it's a common question.
Yeah, I like to add that globally, we see a lot of customers or users in the past. For example, they are familiar with HoloLens, HoloLens 1, HoloLens 2,
Exactly.
RTK, because we are compatible. So a lot of time, they already have an app, and after they switch to our devices, they are able to, pretty much like bring all the similar or not better, so at least like a pretty much like exact similar experience to our platforms, super easy. So typically that take like some of them they can even finish like in a day or so because our product is like compatible with MRTK, compatible with a lot of different tools to make sure there's like minimum learning curve.
Yeah, so no worries. So, of course, we have another channel. You can know us so better. So we have a Kickstarter campaign over there. So you can check about. Say you can still search Rokid glasses in Kickstarter. So it's more information about the hardware and the features for the AI track devices. Rokid glasses. No worries. And yes, and this back to topic is Rokid UWS master, and second one is the sprite, right? So for sprite, so UWS sprite is designed for like smart glasses operation system. So we designed for the wearable use. So we have optimization and improvement for the chips, drivers, everything. So help you guys to develop application. When this OS will cover everything. So yes, for our Rokid glasses series. Later we have a more product AR AI glasses products later, and we also have the software developer kit. Okay, so what we can do for the Rokid glasses. So the first thing you can use a CRM, CXRM. This SDK will be mobile side developer toolkit designed for building the companion and control application for Rokid glasses. Someone would like to develop an application on mobile phone, so you can develop an application mobile app, so connect to our glasses. Maybe you can do some interaction on mobile app, so you can do something more like a rich contest interaction. For example, you have to select and use a touchpad for something like this, or you can some complex setting or interaction on mobile app. No worries. You can use you can design your mobile app, connect to the glasses. The glasses can play as an external tool, wearable tool, right? For display and intent input, right? Via microphone as voice, right? Or via camera as virtual part. So that's it. CXRM is designed for anyone want to develop application on mobile devices connecting to glasses. Okay. And the second one is if you only want to make some application on glasses, no worries, it's a CXRS. So CXRS SDK is on-device developer toolkit running on Sprite, and it can help you guys to create a standalone application directly on Rokid glasses. So it will provide access to the data channel, and then there's like a two-way communication with M. So you can develop application only for the with the CXRS SDK, but you also can make a partnership with CXRM and CXRS. So these two are best combination. For example, you can use design a mobile app with CXRM and connect to the service or another application, another service you design on glasses using CXRS. That will be better for the complex business logic for your application. If you have some fantastic idea, like you can do some connection and communication between glasses and mobile app, a lot, figure out some solution to some complex problem. So that will be the choice. Okay. So yes. So let's figure out, because Rokid glasses is a new thing. So yes, let us show more about the frequently asked questions. So even maybe you guys already asked some questions, and we will still show some common questions many diverse in our communities asked before. Okay, so this is the first one. This is explained already. The second one is which devices are currently support CXRM SDK. Now is for the CXRM's SDK is for the mobile application development. So now we only provide the SDK for Android mobile developers devices. Why? Because Android devices have a more open platform, so you can get more access about hardware and the software wise as well. So you can better have be more free to develop an application to connect to the glasses. So yes, this is CXRM. So next one is more information about CXRS, right? So the CXRS SDK provides access to the data channel to the sprite, our OS on glasses. So it can do the transmission of customer comments to the M SDK from our data channel. So in this case, we build the communication channel between the glasses and the mobile app. So no worries, use CXRS and the CXRM, you can make a fantastic solution via glasses and mobile app. Okay, so is this access to enable developer permission on glasses when developing application in the, okay. No, for now. Yes. So, okay. So this case, we are still have a limitation for the possible, like you open grant all the permissions for you guys to develop anything. So we will open the developer permission for the glasses only, and but you cannot to use the application CXRM SDK to open it. Okay. So that's it. If you have a question, let us know. Okay, let's back to the next part, the SDK documentation. So let's go to AR first. Okay, for the AR part, all the AR devices will be operated by UDOS master operation system. As we mentioned, like we support different SDK for you guys. It can UXR SDK, the XRI SDK for the interaction, and the MRTK. You guys are already familiar with that, maybe? Yes, for the gesture, everything. And then OpenXR part. So we have Unreal, OpenXR plugin, and the native OpenXR SDK as well. And JSR is for the JavaScript part, so you can have a try. Yes, it's our mini external possibility for the new scenario. So no worries, we have all kinds of supporting here, and let's go through a little bit. You guys can go through it right later. So just let us to introduce a little bit. Okay, so let's go to the documentation. All right, so here's the thing. So here's all related information will be here from operation level to the application level, and even the design level. Okay, so let's go through the outline here. So the first thing will help you to set up the hardware environment, right? So software, hardware requirements for your admission, PC or Mac OS, and how to install the Unity, right? One by one, just follow one by one. Everything will be there. And okay, this is the first one. So after this part, you will set up the environment for development. Okay. The second one, we will have some integration guide. That means how to integrate our SDK to the Unity environment. Set up the environment special for the AR application for us. Okay, I'll back to the question later. Okay, so yes, how to input the SDK? Where's the best way to download? Use Gradle. Okay, the package name setting, everything. So after this part, you will set up the special SDK the application development environment with Rokid SDK, right? Rokid SDK. So that's all set. The next one is the development. Okay, here's a quick start. Just set up the, yes, scene design, right? New thing, camera setting, everything. Because for the AR studio, you have a camera, you have to access to it and use it. It's not only for the capture the pictures, but the spatial detecting and gesture detecting. So recognition. So this part is very important. We use the components on camera rig prefab. So use these two components to help you to develop an application. All right. So next one is we will help you to develop a very simple app for this. So put a cube in the reality world. So it's, for example, like you wear the glasses, you can see a cube right in front of you. That's the start point, right? Just like in the community and in the channel now, some friends ask the question like how to make a simple application. That's a simple sample of application, right? So package application is everything will be there. Let me see. Okay, so after that, if you package it or the samples from SDK, you'll get all kinds of capability demo show here, the demos application here. So in the third tutorial, if you go through the whole path of a tutorial, so you will see the different, you can experience the basic capabilities from AR Studio. Hand tracking, speed off control is connected to the phone, voice recognition, camera preview if you need to open the preview, right? And the sensors API, it's connected to all sensors, get the data from it in real time. And the OK hand raise, that means you can use the hand to play as a leader point. And the hand grab, all right? And multi-interactors, it's a handle managers for everything for the interaction. So plan tracking, if we have a desk, you want to put for example, like you design a desktop, the desktop gaming, the desk card game on the desk, you can use a plan tracking. So plan tracking help you to put your 3D model on the reality world, the plan on the reality world, like maybe put on the wall, put on the desk, or put on anything as planned, right? Touch ray is another limb point, so you can touch it, right? The pointer will from your point, from your gesture, the finger. So and it's image tracking. Image tracking it's very useful feature, help you guys to develop application. So it can track, recognize, and track the image. For example, there is a post over there, the painting over there. You can wear glasses. You can pop up something 3D stuff from the image. So this is capabilities, we can help you guys to make it happen. So it's called image tracking. So put the image you want to track and recognize, and put on your glasses. You can recognize and track the image, and on this, based on the image, the positioning, the position and the direction, you can pop up any 3D or 2D stuff. Okay, so this is, I think this is the best start point for developers. So in this, you can play, it's a playground. So you can make some modification or optimization for the experience. You can post a little bit of business logic. For example, like image tracking, you can change the image and change the cube, 3D cube to any 3D model, right? Maybe Mario from the Mario post, right? That's it. So that's it. So that's the quick stop, right? That's called quick stop. But if we want to go deep, right, develop more features and the capabilities on the for the application, yes. Okay, so we have more features development. So spatial creation, if we want to create an XR spaces, even 0 DOF, 3 DOF, 6 DOF, whatever, right? So we have a full tutorial here. And we also, if we want to put some UI and a Unity in the space, here we are. So we have all kind of step-by-step tutorial over here. You guys find, just follow step by step. That's it. Okay, spatial creation, virtual reality. Okay, virtual reality interaction, including like has a gesture. Okay, so it's the gesture and the multimodal interaction, for example, like voice and the gesture as well. So, for example, like we are using manager called import model manager. You can see here the different interaction offer for you guys, like 3 DOF, gesture, mouse, and touchpad, something like this, right? So if you want to customize your gesture, we also offer the default gesture type you can use with no coding stuff, right? So, or we also open like all the skeletons data for you guys for gesture. So in this case, you can design your own gesture, right? Maybe the poop or dot or any other customized gesture. We're supporting that. So, and the offline voice interaction, if you want to use the voice interaction, the voice command to trigger something, trigger some event, trigger something, show up, right? Just use our voice, offline voice interaction. So more important, you have paying attention, like it's offline, right? You don't need to connect to the online, use ASR. We can just set up the voice command, and you can use it freely to trigger any event here. Okay, so next one is the spatial perception. So that's the interesting part. So as we mentioned, like you can play with plane detection. In this case, you can find a plane, and it's a detection, right? Detect the plane, and you can put anything on the plane, right? Even the vertical or on the wall, right? So it's anything possible for you guys. Okay, the next one is image recognition, and you can see, you can input, for example, like let me go through this part. You guys can step by step by yourself. So detailed. Okay, you can put, like, for example, like it's example. So okay, I have to mention, like you have some requirements for the image you want to recognize. So it will be better if they reach in contrast. It's a high grayscale contrast, and clear and not like a duplicate, no duplicate pattern. So in this case, it will be easy for the computer to recognize. Okay, so yes, this is the bad examples. Okay, you guys just go through tutorial. And one more thing, others, they can see what's good. Okay, if you want to get more information about the data, it's the data from the devices, about the devices, you can get it via this part. And okay, someone in the live stream talk about how to debugging it, right? How to debug your application. So actually, we also have some gesture debugging gestures. It's not easy if you haven't get our devices yet, but you already start your application development already. So no worries. You can in Unity, you can use our emulator to simulate the gesture interaction, right? So like you use the mouse or keyboard to do that. Okay, so following this instruction to do that, and yes, oh, this part we will not go through so deep this time, so you guys can check out later. So all these components is designed for the interaction, the camera input, hand, and the UI, and that's it. Okay, so and the design guideline, you guys can design if you want to design a better AR devices. We have a hardware and physiological special consideration, and you can learn more about the know-how how to design the best AR devices and the color choosing, interaction design, and how to use the voice, right? Special for this part, spatial voice is another interesting part. It's an amazing sexy feature for you guys if you can have a design spatial voice surrounding you. That will be fantastic. Okay, so we put a lot of energy on this, and this is for the AR track, right? Let's back to the. Let me check about the any questions. Sorry. Sorry. Okay. Can it do a live AI or real-time video? So okay. So here's the thing. Okay, this is AI glasses. So first of all, some question from YouTube. So the question is, can it do live AI with real-time feed a video? For example, like a Gemini or ChatGPT live video. Good. So first thing, if you want to use AR studio, this camera is not can help you to recognize, but it's a grayscale camera. So it's possible. Yeah, tech-wise, it's okay for you guys. So you can connect to the Gemini or ChatGPT AI and use the camera to dictate everything. Then this for the AR part, for this Rokid glasses, of course you can connect via this camera, get the camera frame, and connecting to Gemini or ChatGPT. Of course, we have use this like a live video as well. So, but pay more attention to about the battery life. We have to put a little bit battery life consideration for the application design. Yes. So.
I'd like to add something here. Basically, regarding the hardware, so the glasses, it has a Bluetooth and also the Wi-Fi as well. Okay, so it has a chip, Bluetooth chip and a Wi-Fi chip. However, because for most wearable devices, especially for the AI, AR glasses, you wanted to preserve the battery as much as possible. You do not want to the battery go dead very, very quickly, right? So that's why there's a balance. For us, we have an app, running on iOS or running on Android. And typically, on the glasses side, there will be another app. So they are talking on Bluetooth, okay? So in this way, you will be able to leverage all the computing power from your cell phone, but meanwhile, you can extend the life of the glasses as well. Okay, so I think theoretically, what you mentioned here, so we are able to use the glasses to do heavy computing, but typically, we do not suggest you to do so because we want to help you to preserve like the battery life as much as possible. But regarding the hardware, it is capable. Okay, so to answer that. Richie, back to you.
So the next question is, will the SDK enable the app be running on the glasses, or will we need to develop mobile application or do we need to submit? Oh, okay. It depends. Actually, you can just design. Okay, let's still talk about the Rokid glasses, right? So you can still to have different choices for the development for your application. So we have a SDK M for a mobile app if you want to make more things for your live streaming. So or you can just design an application on the glasses via SDK called CXRS. So yes, depends what you need. Yes. So my suggestion is based on your, it depends on the scenario you want to design for with your application. Yes. We have no limitation for this. Okay. So hope this answer your question. Okay, the next one. Okay, let's put more thing about the SDK for the Rokid glasses. So we have two SDK for now, mainly for Rokid glasses, and you can check out documentation here. It's also have a very detailed ones, and because frankly, our devices is just released and launched, so everything is in beta. So, but for developers, you can play with it. Yes. So we have the architecture. Oh, sorry, architecture here, right? So everything would explains how we design the glasses, how you guys can use it. You can see. Okay, back to the question. Someone mentioned in the YouTube channel. So that's the key. So you can see that's the answer. Like you can use a CXR SDK to manage and get information from devices, and you also create the services on glasses. You also can use the CXRM SDK for developing the mobile app from the mobile phone. So in this architecture, you can use the mobile application on mobile phone to connect to the glasses via CXR SDK. So in this case, it's a combination, best combination for you to develop an application. Okay, so yes, guys. So if you're interested about the Rokid glasses development, go deep to this documentation, right? If any questions, let us know via Discord channel and Facebook channel as well. So yes, or drop us an email. So we have email over there, right? So no worries. We will put the all related information after this live streaming part. Okay. So let's move to the next one. It's a tech part, right? So how to input. Yes. Okay. One thing I have to mention is for the application, if you develop the application, you have used the Android Studio, right? You have designed if you design mobile app, you have designed the Android app. As we mentioned, like for now, the CXRM SDK is only designed for the Android devices. iOS will be better. Well, yes, will be later. So no worries. But Android devices is now we support for this part. Okay, so the next one is how to import the SDK into the Android Studio, right? We have use the Kotlin SL, the build graphic kits for you guys as an example. So you can use the Maven, the Maven the repository to figure out and integrate this SDK into your environment. So that's it. If you're an Android developer, so you're familiar with that, so you know worries about that. So you can use the SDK to embed it into the Android development environment. Okay. So next one, we'll go to the function development. So let's see what we can do. The first thing is device connection. Of course, it's similar as an Android, right? So you can connect to the glasses and you can do anything. Okay. The second one is you can get the equipment status and the control. So you can get the glass information, battery, everything, battery, and the lightness, everything. And you have all kinds of callback function over there. And yes, you will listen to the glasses. You made some interaction first and the sound effect model. We have a different sound effect model setting, and we also have battery life measurement and the screen on and off. We have set up a timeout for the application and also power off timeout setting for you guys. And even you can do some systematic features like reboot this operation system or shutdown, right? So that's it. And the second one, the next one will be more interesting part, how to measure the picture, video, and audio. So glasses, you can, via glasses, you can take a picture, right? Take photos, and with function T. So we have some function help you to, the callback help you to figure out, to complete how to capture the reality by camera, right? Or take it photos in AI theme. So that means we have different solutions you need to, because you have to think about how to make the efficiency when you design an AI based capture picture AI feature with a camera, right? So we have different options for you guys to select the different resolution your solutions for the image captured by camera, because it can save your size for storage on device. Also can improve the efficiency for you guys to develop an application via AI, right? You have to upload the image, the raw image frame, the camera frame into the cloud, right? Service. So we have different formats as you will, right? You can select from very tiny size to a huge size. So based on your need, okay? So, and yeah, invoking camera to take photos. This happens in many camera app, right? And recording video as well. And you guys can, okay, next one. Okay, so actually if you want to design a live streaming app, so you just still can using this part. So it's just based on the video recording parts, right? But you connect to like a live streaming services. So you can try this, okay? So next one is the data operation, and send data to the glasses and send out via glasses. We have a protocol between via Bluetooth, so or Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi as well. So you guys can design the connection between the glasses to any other devices or services.
So
for
so that's including the ring interface, right? So for
Yeah.
example, we have we have someone asking from YouTube. So what is the developed direction for the ring interface? For example, you can scrolling or of the teleprompter app or maybe ebook. So in this case, they will be able to connect this using this part of the documentation.
Yeah, so okay, so yes, that's it. So actually, so back to the question, like what's the next question?
Yeah, so how to, for example, make some connection with the ring interface. You know, today like the ring is very popular, so it's like
Yeah.
very easy. I mean, a lot of people wear this for different use cases, right? So for example, if you are doing teleprompter or if you are doing the ebook, so is there a way they can be connected? Is there a way to develop an app for the connection, like MCP connection?
Yes, actually, good one. So actually, we have the option for the external accessories, right? For example, like a Bluetooth devices, for them like the ring, like a controller, right? Or any other like an earphone or other control devices, right? Remote, right? You got a remote there. Also, we opened it. Okay, now we just show the special SDK we designed for us, but we still can use like a play Rokid glasses and Android devices. So basic standard tech spec is still there. So you still can use the Android SDK to the general Android SDK to design the application to connect to anything. So the Bluetooth connection over there, the Wi-Fi connection over there. So if you want to connect to anything outside, like ring.
I know
Yes.
this is possible because, for example, like when I go out for the teleprompter, use that function. Typically, I use either online or offline. We have the AI follow. But sometimes, I want to control the speed, right? So I'm using this. This is like a Bluetooth clicker. So this works perfect. So I know this works. So if you are developing something using a ring, I think that will also be compatible because this will be, quite similar.
Yeah, so I think it's based on your design, right? The first thing is okay. We will open the limited control for the devices for now, and if your external devices, but in the app we'll open to it's a very open, so you can use it just your any Bluetooth devices to control any features on your application. But if you want to, you can see the device connection. So you can see, okay, this one. So for the equipment controls, we have a very limited control for you because we don't want to destroy the operation system on via external devices on accessories. So you can control everything, like change the, okay, I'll show you guys. So when our developers develop the application for core like a measurement box for glasses, it can help you to transmit the external files into the glasses and easy install the application, and also can adjust the brightness and the sound volume as well, and it also can play like a mini app store over there. So in this case, we open to the also possibilities. But yes, so let us know because this operation system is still in beta, and if any, because it's a hardware, right? If you want to connect to this hardware to other hardware, there's some conflict possible. There was something conflict between the protocol part and the standard part, so it's possible it happens. So let us know if you meet some challenges, meet some problem about the connection between Bluetooth devices, external devices, and our glasses. Let us know. We will cover more and more protocol one by one. Yes. So yeah, so okay, the next one is the thing operation. We have a lot of listener function for you guys to listen to AI event on the glasses, exit event, ASR, content into glasses. We have a fantastic AR services. So in this case, ASR that means can help you to transfer your voice to the content, the test. Okay, so that's it. And teleprompter scene. So we have some okay, we have something we designed for the Rokid glasses, so you can customize it. So this we also open this part to you guys. So for example, if you want to optimize or make a personal devices, personal teleprompter. So we have a teleprompter part. So you can send the teleprompter data into it and customize it and get the ASR result as well. Yes. So based on because we have an AI feature for the teleprompter, it was automatically scrolling down and up via your ASR input. Okay. So that's one thing. Translation as well, we open to the developers to customize the translation part. So we have the basic features for you guys, but you guys can design more personalized and customized one for this translation app. So now our translation feature is covering more than 100 language, but for you guys, maybe you can cover more like specific or local ones. So please welcome to develop the application for us. And okay, another important part is customer view theme, because we have a display and you want to customize the view, show on the glasses, you want to put this interface customized with your need, right? So we have offers a different interface for you guys, and we also support image sources as well, and JSON based, right? Okay, so that's it for the M, right? It's still for the mobile app. So let's see about the CSRS. Okay, for the glasses part, it's more simple. Okay, so we have let's skip this part. So you can see how to connect your glasses, enable the ADB, but you guys, if you're Android developers, you already know that. and how to import the SDK as well, get the information about the devices, and how to subscribe the messages listened by glasses, and how to send the message to the glasses. So that is how the mobile app connected to the Rokid glasses. So in this way, we make a connection between data connection between the mobile app and the glasses. Okay, so the how to send is the data structure over there. So in this case, from my point of view, you can send anything. So depends on the speed, right? And the bandwidth. So just follow the standard. It's kind of like a protocol, right? So you can send anything via mobile app and the glasses. And that's it. That's for the M and the S. So yeah, let's move to the next part. Okay, so I have some question here. Wait a minute. We are in Brazil. Okay, is it possible to get devices to? Okay, Nora, please contact with our assistant online and join our group. Okay, Nora is here, right? So if you're listening, you can join our Discord channel, or I think you're in the WeChat, so you can also connect us with our assistant and let us know what you need. You're in the Brazil, I think it's possible. Yes, but we'll figure out how to make it happen. Okay. The next one is this next one is oh wait a minute. Sorry. Oh, the documentation link. No worries. We will think. Of course. Actually, you can go to the ar.rokid.com and go to the SDK part. It's a tab over there, and then go a little deep into into it. So you'll get everything. Okay. Let's following this part. So yes, SDK, and this is the RudaOS Express is designed for Rokid glasses. So no worries. Laura. Okay. You got it, right? Okay. Thank you. So you got it. Next one. Let me check for the next part what we can do. Next part will be okay. So next one be tips for the. Okay, let me show you something. Let me show you something. Okay, let me go through. Okay, so if you guys have any questions, and you can still go to the Discord channel and developer forum here. So we also have okay, you can log in and get some forum to discussion, and this is our previous app store over there. So it's some of the application designed for the AR devices. Oh yeah, over there. So it's again gaming over there. It's just a very limited number of show here. So we're in AR devices. So we have hundreds of application games already. So let's see what next. Yeah. So if you want to know more about us, please go to the ar.rokid.com, and everything will be there, and you can see the more detailed specs for the different devices. Okay, have to pay attention to this part. So our AR track in competition is also supporting the device Rokid AR Lite. It's a 3DoF device comparing to the AR Studio. Okay, so it's a little different. AR Studio is a 6-star experience. Fantastic, powerful devices, but the AR Lite is another great choice for you guys to the application because it's already in the market. It has a million users already. So let's go to this part. I put more more things into it. Okay, so let's do English. Okay, no. Let me check. Then special. Yeah, special. Yeah, this one. Okay. 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 So this one.
Yeah, the AR Spatial is for consumer and it's 3-dot device. So
Yeah.
kind of very,
It's
very
an AR light. We also support AR light for the AR track. So you can also use the AR track for this. So if you already get the AR light, maybe I'm not sure the US is yeah, it's launched in US already, right? But if you for now maybe we have a developer kit in US only with AR Studio, right? Right now. We only have a AR Studio for the AR track in US, right?
yeah, we can support both.
Oh, yes. So
both.
that's it. So
Yeah.
if you guys to design what like to design like 3D experience, so use this. Okay, so it has IMU as well. So it's a screen-based application. So you can design like a entertainment center for you guys, and also it is like support 3D experience. So some of our developers in our community, they are developing the gym app with this AR light. So you can use the MU uh, 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 to track your performance about your gym, right? So it's another consumer-driven devices, 2C devices in the market. So yes, pay more attention to. And yes, also support like a special content as well. So it out of the box, out of the frame, out of window. So we support like a multiple screen, entertainment and content container. So and yeah, that's it. Let me go through some questions. Let me see any questions. Any questions?
Yeah, so, again, we're gonna be start hosting not only online events. So I think this works pretty well. So we're gonna do this. I think in the future we're gonna do this regularly. So try to answer all your questions you have. But I think more importantly, we're gonna be having offline event as well. So the first one will be in the Bay Area, Silicon Valley. So if you are close by, let us know, and we're probably gonna be hosting that within a couple of weeks. We can let everybody know. Again, for any information or news, we're gonna be publishing in our Discord channel. So that is like our official community over there. And in the future, we could also have the like similar events in Europe, etc. as well. So please, let us know what you guys need. We are all ears. We wanted to hear what will be able to help you, what can motivate you to get in development stage. And we really love to hear from you guys.
Yeah, so no worries about no worries about developer. It's the resources, devices, and tech support and everything support. So even you're in another country or around the world, let us know. So show your passion. Yes, we know what you need. So let's figure out what's the next thing we can do. Yes.
Yeah.
So
Yeah,
yeah.
especially like we have two sides, right? So one, the track is on AR side, augmented reality, and another side is AI AR. We see both. There's a lot great applications on both sides. For example, like AI, it's booming. So the AI glass is still very, very new. A lot of people say 2025 is in first year or initial year for the AI glasses. There still will be tremendous opportunities. We hope you will win. We hope you will be success and grow with you guys.
Yeah, so actually we have a global team and no worry about anything. We also have the connection in Japan, Korea, and Europe as well. So even you are not like English speaking native people, developer, no worries. We also have our colleagues and our partners working in US, in Japan, Korea, even the APAC, right? If you're from Thailand or Singapore or Indonesia, no worry. So let us know. So just to show your passion, and we also have a cover all kind of all the market all around the world globally. So no worries. So just go to. So if you have any questions, any comments, let us know in the channel, Discord channel, Facebook channel, YouTube channel, whatever. So even drop us a email and say something and talk to us. So it's more important. Okay, let's back to the topic. So more important is join the competition first. So let us know what you need, right? So that's is more important. So let us know what you need, and we will get all kind of we'll back on you, right? No worry about anything about devices, tech support, everything. So frankly, it's our first time to live stream to the world, and it's to the overseas developers. Thank you for your patience for the first several minutes. We'll just have setting up. So thank you for patience. And I'm not sure, maybe you guys from YouTube, from the Discord, from the WeChat, from different live stream channel. And if you have a question, we open to another 5 minutes for the Q&A section. And yes, and please join our Discord channel and here. And yes, so here we are. So
yeah, I see there's a question that you know, in the Discord channel there were a couple rings discussed. Again, I think we
let me
have the
see.
internal team, you know, so we are evaluating different hardware. We're gonna be, I think Vichy, you are muted. I cannot hear you.
Okay, let me check about Discord. Rokid is on. This kind of conversation. Yeah. So yes, of course. So another thing I have mentioned, like so we are collaborative community now. So we are the only very limited resources for you guys to answer questions. So actually go to the community. So go to Discord channel. So they will have hundreds of developers over there can answer your question. So no worries, just even a silly question, like a junior question, no problem. So just ask. So there is hundreds of developers who will answer your question. Even if we are online, we'll answer your questions well. So just call us, just leave your comments, leave your question, leave any questions like you made some question changes or like a problem, so developer application, developer anything about the hardware, software, and development stuff, or even the documentation part. So some of the developers help us to figure out correct the some issues on the documentation. Thank you guys. So that's let us know, right? No worries, just a show free talk. So that's it. So Discord channel, Facebook, YouTube, and anyone you can connect us, please. Okay, so let's figure out any questions here.
Yes, yeah, while you are checking that, I also like to share, recently I've been, you know, watching what, you know, apps being developed. You know, a lot of apps, they are from third party or our like fans or partners. I think they're really great apps. So for example, like we have one developer, he developed an app, which are basically you will use a cable to install, there's a companion app, but after that you will be able to debug, you know, all the apps without the cable. Okay, so you can, you know, eliminate the cable. So I think that is a yeah, that is a very good example. And which is currently showing the Kickstarter. Recently we just surpassed this $4 billion on Kickstarter. So which put us like a history, the best performed AR XR devices on the Kickstarter platform. So this is definitely like a, you know, worth top one. We really love you guys to participate or witness, you know, join us on this path. on this history. Yeah, so the product currently we already regarding the shipment. So for the Kickstarter, we are about to ship in from November 15. I think actually, couple days, right? We're gonna start shipping, and if you have friends or if you have family, if you want to share them the joy, so feel free. I think we're still the link is still open, so you can still place the pledge. Right?
Yeah,
Make
that's
sure
it.
you guys will be able to we are able to deliver. So for our internal app, for our internal operating system, we already over 200, over 200 optimizations or improvements. For example, like today I get the new push, it already supports the Google GPS. Okay, so it's already have a lot of great features, like vibration cancellation for the camera, for the video. So the product currently is a really great product. Over like the last couple of months, we did a lot of updates. So very quickly, I really trying to be able to bring you guys on this path. You guys can co-develop with us.
Yeah, so yes, that's it. So actually, if you're developers, you have two choice to get devices. The first thing, of course, you can join the competition, right? That's one thing. Yeah, nothing. Of course, it's still a 2C device. It's devices. It's a glasses. So you can also get from the commercial channel e-commerce market or go to the Kickstarter to get it. Yes, it's another way you can get it as soon as possible because it's your own personal devices, right? So you can use it every day, not only about it for months, then for years. So that's it. So it's a full function in the AR glasses. So no worry about this. So not only the application development, also like the you can use it as a user. So basically, most of our developers are user as well. So if you're a user, you can develop application for us. If you're a developer, you can still using the glasses all the time. You can figure out what's the problem you need to, you want to solve it via glasses. That's it. You're a developer, right? So we have different options for you guys. So just do it. And as Leon mentioned, like we all host some offline event in US and in Europe or APAC. So we already have some event in APAC already. So I think online there's some developers from the APAC area. So yes, you guys will. Thank you for your interesting for us. And we will host the online and offline event everywhere, very soon, step by step, Zoom by Zoom, and no worries. Let us know first. So we also will collect all the feedback from the from your voice. So if you have a more intention to show your muscle, to show your needs for our support. So maybe the thousands, hundreds of developers over there in New York. Let's do it. We to go to the offline event in New York, right? So just leave your comments, ask a question, and let us know what you need. Yes, that's important for us. So if you're a student from the college, even you have a department focusing on the AR and AI, let us know so we can make a connection with you guys. So we can support device, tech, everything, community resource for you guys. So that's it. So yes, so we are open to everyone. So let's go through another maybe two questions. Let's see what we can do.
Yeah, I can answer the first one. So the order on Kickstarter, but not sure when it's coming. Okay, so currently, I think we are scheduling to ship out all the
Yeah.
Kickstarter orders by the end of December. Okay, so
Yeah.
there's 1.5 month. We should be able to ship out all units.
Yeah, so that's it. So I think someone online already got the device very soon. So even you are as a user or as a developer, so you have both, right? So, but don't forget it. So competition is another story. You just jump into competition with your devices or use our glass devices. If I developer kit as both okay, both are okay. So just join the competition, join our community, join. Yes. So let us know your need. Yes.
Don't wait. Don't say, okay, I do not have the devices yet, so I'm gonna hold on it. So I think do not wait for that for now. You enroll the competition first, and then we will see, okay, so you are enrolled, and then we will be able to figure out how to support you. If we cannot see you are in the pool, so there's no way we are able to know your need, right?
Yeah, that's it. So just join. That's it. That's the first thing you can do. No worries about anything, right? So we'll support you guys. So no worries. Okay, so let's figure out last question. Let's see what we can do. And yeah. Okay, let me show something. Anything we can show you guys. Okay, maybe Lihan and Liang, we have some. Do we have any questions on other channel?
We have another thing. Would the SDK enable the app be running on the glasses, or need to develop the mobile app and the video feed is streamed via Bluetooth? Okay, so for the
I already answered this question.
you answered okay.
Yeah. So CXRM and CXRS, it depends what your scenario design. So you can only use a CXRS to do this part only if you have a very limited customization requirements. But if you want to put more like a customization features, you can design another mobile app like a CXRM, right? To connect to the CSRS connected together. Yes, that's it. So it depends what kind of a need you want to design. Yes. Yeah. So any questions?
So there's another one that asking for proposal doc. Okay, so want you to submit some plans. Please, even it's not finalized idea, that's okay. That's okay. Okay. I think we wanted to, you to work on the proposal. We just you have some document to submit, so we know where you're coming from. We know, your thoughts on the idea. So it's okay if you are not fully finalized. Just like make sure it's a clean version, so we can understand, so we can engage from there. So it's not finalized. You still will be able to modify your proposal after your submission, because official project submission is end of this month. Okay, so you still have couple 2-3 weeks to finalize.
Yes, exactly. So actually, for the overseas developers, you just to please join first and join the competition first, and second, we will figure out how to get the devices, how to make the whole complete. How will you complete the track for the participation, right? So you don't worry about that. So you have an idea, you already have as we mentioned, like you already have an application, you have already an idea, you have already AI app, or you already have an agent. No worry, join us, and we will figure out how to make it happen. So even it's not make it real in our this time, but no worries. As Liang mentioned, we will have the offline live the event in US, in Europe as well, in APAC places as well. So in this case, we can help you guys to make it happen. See, we have a lot of hackathon, right? Not only the competition, we have the online, offline hackathon every month. So no worries.
I also want to address this question. Maybe you can disable the required field. Okay, so we've been discussed this internally. So the issue is, this is a serious competition. We wanted the people who are participating, they are serious enough. So, for example, if you are not able to spend like a couple of minutes to sort out all your ideas, put like the ideas to the proposal documentation, that means you're not serious enough, right? So that's why we wanted to keep this part. We want to filter, some people who just wanted to think this is just like a pool or like reward, etc. It's not the case. So we want like the hardworking people, working on some really interesting questions on the AR or on the AI devices. So that's why we definitely wanted to see some documentation to exchange the ideas.
Yeah, that's it. And another thing is, it's possible like we will co-work with MIT Reality. It's one of the best hackathon next year, early next year. And actually, we have our own competition hosted by Rokid for us, right? By us, but we also have some partners. They are running like hackathon event. every year. So we will co-work with them. So not you just start, right? Don't hesitate to join, right? Just start. Start it and it will be there. And it's from 0 to 1 and maybe from 1 to 5 next year. So that's it. So because I will show you guys some examples. So some of developers in winners from our previous competition, they already start the startup. So they already developed the AR and AI application solution for the industry. So no worries. Maybe it's a little bit of change for your life. So
Yep.
join us. Yeah. So okay. So
I think
let-
I think we're overdue. It's like 12 minutes. Thank you guys so much. If you guys have any, or comments, etc., feel free to, find us on our like Discord channel. Okay. If you want us to do this like on a monthly basis, that's fine. Or if you want to even see in bi-weekly, just share with us your thought, your idea, and if you guys feel this is very helpful, we can definitely accommodate you guys' need. Okay. Thank you guys so much. Thank you. We're seeing you on Discord.
Yeah, so that's it. So thank you everyone be here and thank you for passion. Thank you all the users, developers from the WeChat channel, YouTube channel, Discord channel, and the LinkedIn channel. So thank you guys. So we will show the related information later into all the channels and answer the question. But please join the competition first, and we will give you the feedback. Second, join our Discord and Facebook group and our WeChat on channel as well. Connect to the assistants from WeChat. So that's it. So thank you everyone. Be here for 2 hours, and hope we explain the basic brief introduction about what we do for the AR and AI, what we do for the developer community. So we will have a possibility to meet you guys face to face. Possibly let us know if you want to ask to visit you guys, even you are in the college or university, your association would like to co-work with us. If you are individual developer, you have a very fantastic idea, let us know. Okay, that's it. Thank you for everyone. Thank you, Lihan and Liang from US. So thank you all the users online. Okay, so that's it. So let's do everything here. So okay, that's it. Okay.
Thank you guys for joining us.
Thank you guys. It's it's very late in US and Europe. So yes, hope you guys enjoy. Okay, thank you.
Bye-bye.
Okay. Okay. Got it.
Bye.
好，拜拜拜。